So here is the parts that makes up the legs of the 00 Diver Ace. First we're going to do is take this. Oh, no, we're going to do the foot first. So we need this, followed by this. It goes there. And then this part that goes onto this. And that pretty much seals the deal. Put this one here as well. There we go. Now for this, take this off like that. Take this and put it like this, because these two little pegs have to face this way. Poly cap here. And this one goes there. And I close it up, like so. And like I mentioned before, this polycap could have been in there, but you can't put the whole, that frame cannot go in because it has taken apart. But since the seam line is right into the panel, you barely see it. You don't even see it at all. Next, you take this, put that through here. Take this, put that through there. If you can get it in there. It's in. There we go. And I'm now starting to see two little scar marks there. I thought I sanded this down. I hate when it ruins like that. Alright, what are you going to do? I'm not going to sand this down and redo it again. Alright, so that goes through here. And remember, there was a part that went through here for the front, but since we're using the other part, you know, this part here, that goes like that in there. And this one goes like that here. And then this one goes like that here. So there you go. The legs of the Gundam 00 Diver Ace TransAm are done. Look at how shiny it is. Alright, that's complete. Let's move on to the next part. Next part, of course, is the waist unit of the Gundam 00 Diver Ace. This should be fairly simple to do and quick. I'm going to put the back part here. It goes like that. Whoops. And then you have these two parts that makes up the GN swords going here in the back. I believe one goes like that and the other one goes the other way. There you go. And then for this, we take the two gold parts, put this one here and this one here. Okay, that's done. There's one other piece here that I got to put on. A little poly cap that goes back here. Then, that came off. This one should go in here, right? Oh, I think I gotta remove this. Put that in there. Ah, yeah. Put that in there. Then cover this up. There. And that holds it into place like so. And then, I don't know why you're deciding not to stick, because it should stay there. But then we have this part that goes here. And then this part that goes here. Alright. There you go. That completes the torso. The waist. Nice. Alright, so next up is the thrusters of this kit, which is basically the GN drive system. But for this, we'll take these two winglets. One goes there, and it pops out. So we'll do it again, here and here. We already put the poly cap on this one, so this one goes in like this to seal it in. There you go. And then you have this part that goes. Of course, this is the other GN drive from the ACE unit, so that goes in here, the flat one. And in there, like so. Then for this, let's take this part here. Goes in nice and tight. That goes in like that. There you go. The two backpack parts for the thrusters. Now, it says thrusters on the manual, but that's what it is complete. Very nice. Let's move on. Alright, so the remaining parts that you see here make up not only the weapons, but the support unit that turns the Gundam 00 Diver into the Gundam 00 Diver Ace. I think the first thing we're going to do is assemble a portion of the weaponry. For that, we'll need this, which has already been painted, but I have to open it up like so. So I can put this part in here. And then close it up. There we go. Let's do the other one. There it is. Oh, the other one. I need this. There we go. Now, in the weapon set, you're supposed to take this, put that here. You take this. You put that there, like that. So you have the new sword and a new rifle, I believe. Let's get the other one put on. There you go. Alright. That completes that. Oh, no, not. We need to put this part here. Unfortunately, by me putting that here, I didn't realize that this blue is showing. I guess a hand painting should suffice. This also acts as a locking mechanism for the sword. There we go. So there you go. That part is done. Now, for these parts, for the sword, for the bigger swords, you gotta make sure that, I believe. Well, no. First, you take this, and take this green part and put it through there. Oh, wait a minute. Sand that off. No, I made a mistake. I think I gotta put. Alright, so I need this like this. Then I put that there. Then I take this and put that there. This holds this part here in place, and it looks like that. I don't know why this little gap is there. You know, I mean, it could have been. Why didn't they put like a part in there so it can I don't know. It's my interpretation. Clearly, more professional people like me would probably look at this and say, oh, okay, I'm going to put putty on it. Put that there, like so. There we go. That sword is nice. I like that sword. Now, there are these other parts here. Take this and this. Put that through here. And then put this through there. Then this part, there's this part here which would take it off. So we can put this one, make sure it's the one that's in this angle. Put it there. Then you put this back on. So it holds it into place. So it looks like that. And it turns. Then we just put it in here. Close it up. And I guess this goes like that. And then this goes like this. Like so. And then you can close it up. Alright. That seems fair. Let's remove this. Oh. The other way. Now we have this part. Oh, I forgot to put those on. Didn't realize that until now. This part, and that connects through here. And then this part, like this, connects through there. So it looks like that? Am I doing this right? That was that. That was that. Yeah. I believe so. And then we take this. And we take this. So it should look like this. I could be completely wrong. That connects like that, and oh, I did it the opposite direction. I knew that was wrong. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Give me this. Gives me that. We gotta go around like this. I believe. If I'm seeing the settings right, I gotta. Sorry. Well, no, I did it this way right. So I did that way. And then the vent goes over that. Ah, okay. Then I was right the first time. Just a bit weird that it's like that. It has to be like this. Alright, fair enough. leave it the way it is for now. So that goes there. That goes there. Alright, so we have the sword, the swords, then this part goes here. And I'm not digging the fact that this can come apart easily. It's cool the fact that it is two-toned and two parts there, but then it's going to come off all the time, so it may end up being glued. And I am looking at the gimmicks here where there's nothing different other than, you know, you turn it into a sword or a shield or whatever. And this is part of the other part that, actually to tell you the truth, I never painted. Regardless of the case, these weapons are done. Yeah, it took a little longer than normal, but sorry about that. Okay, let us now move on to final assembly.